Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 10 of this car dealership. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish off the level 2, and as you can see, we added everything, even the room tags and the floor. And if we check our 3D, we already have this. Now we're gonna continue working on this. What I want to do is add in the roof, and then here I want to change this, so I'm gonna cut this one down. So here I just want it to be up to level 2, so we're going to have this one shorten. We're going to delete this. Let's cut this off. So let's go to level 1 again, and then here we need to split element, and then right here, and then we need to select this wall again, and then change it to top constraint level 2. And then if we check our 3D, it will look like that. So we will have different elevation right here, and then also on the others. So now what I'm planning to do is we should go back to level 2, and then from here we're going to add our roof, and all of it will be flat roof. So let's go to architecture, click on roof, make sure define slope is unchecked, and then here edit type, duplicate, and then roof number 1. Press OK, edit, change the thickness to 200, and then here we're just going to put asphalt, shingles, press OK, and then OK again. Now let's add in our roof. So all of this will be on the same roof, so we're gonna put it from the inside of the wall, and then here as well will be same, and then also right here will be all the same. And then we could just select this one and then trim and extend, and then trim and extend as well on this area, and then let's click on finish. Here it needs to be just one, so we could just continue and then delete this part, and then we could just add it again right here. But after that, before we click finish, we need to change it to level 3. So click on that, it will be added there. Again, click on roof, same roof, we're going to add it right here. But before you finish, change the base level to level 3, and then click on finish, and then let's look at it. So that's look good. And then here go back to level 1, and then let's add this one. So let's go and add roof again, and then here it's saying that it's the lowest part, so it needs to be level 2. That's fine, but here I just want to have the level 1 view, but base level is level 2. I just need to have this one so that we could add the inside of this, and then click on finish, and if we check 3D, it will look like that. So what we could do is we could just extend both of this. So we need to top offset 600, and then here we need to select, so highlight everything. This will be just clicking on tab, and it will highlight every exterior wall that we have. And then let's just unhighlight this part. So hold on shift, so do it again, and then just select this one so that it's not included, and then the top offset is 600 again. We need to change this wall, so I'm gonna trim this wall out. So let's go to level 1. What I'm gonna do is we need to trim this out and just add it again. And then let's just add this one, delete instance, and then CS again, and then just add this one right there. We just need to select the wall, CS, and then just add this wall right here. And then we want to make sure that just to connect them like that. And then this one, make sure before you connect it, change this one to have a top offset of 600, and then just connect this one right there, and then change this to interior wall. And then this one should be exterior. And then let's see if everything went up. So that's fine. This one shouldn't have, so 0 on that. And then we need to close this off. And then this one needs to be top offset as well at 600. So everything is connected properly, and I'm just double checking. This one should be 600 to have a parapet. And then let's go back here to the garbage area, and then let's add a roof right here. It will let us know that it needs to be on level 2, which is fine, and then just add it from the inside like that, and then select all of this by using tab, and then top offset is 600 already, so that's fine. And then let's not forget to add the door right here. We added the door, whereas we have an access here. So that's fine. We can delete this car right now. We don't need it outside. And then here, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to pull it up a little bit, because this is too much on the top. It needs a floor, and then here we could just add it at the top as well. So I'm going to use this to align everything up, so it's not on the floor. So I want to make sure that everything is aligned properly, and there we go. just subtle enough to have it right there. So that's good. I'm double checking everything. What I need to do is we need to add something right here, so I'm gonna hide this for now. So select that roof, hide element, hide in view, and then choose element, and we're just simply going to add curtain grid right here. So what I am gonna do is just add it in the midpoint, and then midpoint all the way. So I'm gonna divide it properly like that. And it will be easy as well because Revit knows what you're trying to do, and it will let you find the midpoint, like what I'm doing right now. Then just adding all of those right there. And let's not forget to add a roof as well onto this top, because this is open at the moment. We could just leave it open like this, but at the same time what we need to do is close this part. So close this area right here. So I'm gonna go to level 1, and let's just close right here only. So add in another roof. Yes, this will be for roof. Edit, duplicate, and I just want it to be the same one but a different material. So something white, laminate. So I'm gonna choose this one, and then let's just add it right here from the inside, and then also right here. And then let's trim and extend. And then TR again, trim and extend right here. And then click finish. And then once we check it, it will look like that. We could just pull this one down. So top offset, if we check the roof, we should put this one base -200. So it will just make it like a box. And if you don't want all of this right here, we could just pull this one down by using top base, but I'll let you guys do that for now. And then once you have all of this right here, I believe I need to close this one as well. So we will do that right here. All of this will have its own, and then I believe this area needs to be closed as well. So the janitor and then the universal washroom right here needs to be closed. And then let's just add mullion. So go to architecture and then mullion, all grid, change this one to 50 by 65, and make sure all grid lines is selected. And then we just need to add all of those, and as you can see, it looks really nice. So you have this overhang right there. And then now we need to add here, go to level 1, and then let's just add the roof again, which is roof number 2. That's for the inside. And then here we could just add this one right there, make sure it's this one, and then base offset -200. Click apply, and then click finish, and then check it out. It will be looking like that. So that's fine. And then once you're done, what you need to do is select here, reveal hidden element. We hid this one, this roof. Now we want to show this, so select that again and unhide element, and then close this off. So that's how easy it is to hide something, so that you'll be able to access it easily. And then here we're gonna do it again, select, then right click, and then just this element. If you select category, so all of this, all the roof will be hidden if you select category. But if you want the element only, so basically that's the only thing that you will hide. So now here, go back to level 1 and go on here on the right side. We will create maybe 2 of them. So select roof again. This will be for roof for level 2, but we need level 1 view, and then here we're going to add this first and then click finish. Again, let's add a roof right here, roof number 2, and then make it rectangle, and then just add it right here, and then click finish, and then check your 3D to double check everything, and make sure that this is -200. And if you don't want this to be shown, what you need to do is select that and click attach to base, and then select the roof. It will disappear. It will basically move to the base of this. It won't delete it, but it will just adjust to the base of the roof. The problem with this is sometimes you need to clean out some of the corners where the junction is, or where it's connected, because right here you still want this one, but you want this one to be disappeared. So now what will happen is it will create this corner right there, which is good, but other problems right here. And then if we do it on the other situation, so let's just hide this for now, sorry, unhide this element, and then let's check this one out. Right click, element, and then here what we could have is, if we do this, it will affect this part. So let's try this one right here. So luckily this one didn't get affected, but sometimes the adjustment won't do good, so you will need to keep on trying. You have to keep on trying. If it's not working out, you need to change the connection of each wall. So I was expecting this one to be will disappear because of that, but I guess sometimes it just works. So right here we can see some of this in the floor, because we have this second floor right here, and then you could use this again. So that's how you clean this and adjust all the walls into the floor. So I'm gonna unhide this again and see where we are. What we could do is we could add our curtain grids right here, because we need to add a door. So here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide this one properly, again. So that one is looking good right there. And then we have this one massive. And then I don't like that it's right here. I would like to change that one. So maybe let's do that later on. What we could do is we could go to our south elevation, but unfortunately it's not showing the background. So we're just gonna do that on the next video. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.